Hey, hello everyone. So today we are making a pawn. So this video might be good for the chess lovers. Okay, so it will be a scaled down model. We can 3D print it if we scale it up. So let's begin. So first we will start by making the base. This one. So here we can see a circle profile, just with a diameter of 17.2. 17.2. Okay. Now it is at a bit of height and it has 7 diameter. So what we will do is just quickly come out. Okay, so before that we can just do one thing. Place 2 points here which might be useful afterwards. Okay, so here is 1 point and then here we place the second point. Okay, so it's done now. Now it is above 15.6, so let's take a plane at top. Okay, so maybe make it reverse. 15.6, let's preview it. Okay, so now we'll just place another circle here. So it's 7, and just make one more point here. See, and similarly do in the other side. Okay, so these portions are covered, so we have to this thing, so we will use multi-section here. So we will next draw this section, so it can be customized as per your requirement. So here I will do a simple one. Okay, so let's do, so before we go to that I need to change its orientation, so let be 90, and it should be 90, it should be 90. Okay, so then yes, okay, close. Okay, so now we'll make this section, we'll try to do as much close as we can. Okay, so it's quite done by now. Okay, so it's okay. So now let's check the dimensions. Here we have 2.79. We will be using it, using it afterwards. It will be very helpful. This one, because we have to do the similar thing at the other side also. Okay, so now it's totally done. Then we will make this point. Let's make it coincident, and we'll do this one also. Let's see. Yeah, so it's coincident. Okay, okay. So now, yeah. So with this done, just come out and make another section. So again and this side. Okay, so we can make a small change here. So to make exact copy there, so let's do one thing. So what I did is take this one, make a replica here. So it's replicated here. Why not just Control X from here and put it in here? So it's done. See. So now we just need to maintain these things. Let's see. Let's make a coincidence here. Okay, and here also. Okay, so it's coincidental and it's done. So now make it afterwards. So what do we do? Just go back to that position. Okay, so now we will have a multi-section here. So first we select the two profiles here and here, then we choose one guide, then we choose another guide, then let's preview it. So see, the base of the chase is, the pawn set is done. So then we'll click OK and it's there. So now what we do, so now then we have to create this dome shape. So for this we have seen again it is 4 uh, mm height, so we just place one more 4. Okay, okay, then what we do, it is, we'll make it 8 mm as per given. So then we cut it. Okay, so now there is one more thing to be done, that is here it requires a new setup circle. So profile, we made it. So it is around 12.15, so we make it 12.15, 12.15. Okay, see it's 12.15. Okay, then got it. So what we now do, now we simply go to this one, do some relimitations. So just select the profiles first and second. Let's preview it once. So see, this is done, but we need a bulging one, right? So what we do is cancel this. Okay, so we again go to the same process. Yeah, we again go to the same process. First we choose something to get it more visible for us. Yeah, so in this case we take one more point here, cut it. Okay, then we select this one. Okay, so now make one more point here. Yeah, got it. Okay, I guess the point's ready. So then we select another plane from the horizontal one, and we do this. So what we do, let's do this one, coincidence, and this one also, it should be coincident. Okay, so now having this done, so there might be a slight problem here, so let's address that. So what we have to do is, this one is a bit upright, and now we are doing this one. Okay, okay, so it's 0. It's okay then. We just go with this one a bit. Okay, let's cancel it. Go with this one. Yes. Okay, so let's do one thing. Go to this. Let's check this one. This is 0. Okay, so now what we do, we take again multi-section, this one, and take spine, this one. Let's check what happens. Okay, leave it. So we take the guides. Guide is this one, preview. Wait a minute. We take this one, check the guides. The guide is, wait a minute. Yeah, this one is a so we take this profile, dash profile, and the guide is this one. Let's preview it to see. It's getting a bulging like this. Okay, so why it is happening? So what we have to do is go there again, follow the same process, and do this one, this, and this we paste it in opposite side, this, and we just control exit. Okay, then just simply come out of it and then create a new profile from here. Yeah, so then just paste it. That's done. Okay, so now we make a multi-section. So using this, and then the guide, this one and this one. So let's preview it now. See, so this one is done, right? So now the only thing left is the topmost point and the down base. Okay, so what we do, so we have to make a bulging like this one. Okay, so to make this, there are a few processes. So what I will do is just simply go to the horizontal plane here, not horizontal, vertical plane. Yeah, and just edit it to move it up. Okay, yeah. So what we do, we just simply draw this one here. So see, its radius is R5. So just go here, go. So we'll see this one. Okay, so wait a minute. Yeah, see, it looks quite similar. No, it's not happening. So let's do one thing. Let's take 3 points. Yeah, yeah, it's quite good. It looks good. So we just make it coincidence. This one, So having said it, it will be somewhere like this, right? So what we do is just simply take a line from here and just cut it from behind. Okay, so now we will just erase the extra ones, and this one to be also delete. Okay, and what we do, we just take this and meet with the, okay, so it's it. So then we do nothing to keep the shape. We just take this from this. Okay, leave it. Let's try something else. Do this. So then do this one. Leave this also. This one. This one. This. This. So it's just a internal shape. It will not be visible. So what I'm trying to do, just back it off. Yeah. So here is a section ready for us. Now we just make a shaft. From here we choose the mid section axis. So this one is the axis I'm gonna take. Now see. Let's preview it once. So it's done. So it's been made. Okay, and we will be then just make the base section. Put it here. Make it coincidence, and then just come back. Then we'll just simply make it, and it should be 3.5. Let's preview it. Okay, so our pawn piece is ready. So now to now to make some more aesthetics, we just simply make some changes. Take it 1 mm, preview it. Okay, so it looks quite good. And then we can then to make some enhancement. I'm saying just for enhancement purpose, nothing more than that. 1 mm. Let's preview it. Okay, so it's look quite good. So I guess this one is not required. Okay, let's do once again. 0.5. Okay, and here it is okay. So to feel the smooth version, we can just add some more things here. So it's just personal level enhancements, nothing more than that. 0.2. Let's preview it once. Okay, so it looks good. See, our pawn is ready now. uh, the only thing is to left is add some materials over it. So why won't we make it, so we can just add, like, let's go for the best one. Fence, beech, bark, cork, pine, redwood, cherry, walnut. Let's go for walnut. Let's check it. Yeah, it looks good, isn't it? So the pawn is ready, I guess.